Hi students! In this unit, we are going to learn about instructions and language programming. In the first activity, you are going to use language programming in a game. This game is called Coding for Carrots. You are going to go to the link google.com that I'm going to give you after, and you have to be sure that in the right part of the screen you use English language, okay? Because we are in the English class, remember, in the English class, English language, okay? After you click on play, and you are going to start to play a game in which this rabbit that you see in the screen here is going wants to eat a lot of carrots. Then you have to help him to collect a lot of carrots by playing. How? You have to use the arrow in the tray to make me hop forward, for example. When you put here the arrow, you click on play, he moves. Okay, well done. Then you are going to, you have different levels that you have to complete. For example, the first level, here we have 2 carrots and the rabbit here. We have to move here in order to collect the carrots. You put 2 arrows here, and when you click on play, he moves and he collects the carrots. Then you are going to have different levels, and you are going to have first here the explanation of the symbols that you are going to use. After this activity that you are going to use, and you are going to create a project where in Scratch. This web you have to sync in with your user. If you don't have it, you have to create it, okay? And there we are going to create a project. We're going to click on here and create, and here we have different parts of these projects. If you want to know everything about this, you have to click on tutorials here in order to know how to create different things with the characters that we are going to use. When you click on, you can create all of these projects, and you have the guide. In the project that we are going to create, you have to use at least 1 character like this, and 1 character, 1 song. You can create it or your own song here even, and movements, because in this unit we are working about instructions, and then our character have to move, okay? For example, I'm going to create 1 example, but apart from that, you can be creative and you can do another thing with your character. I am open-minded and you can create whatever you want, okay? But remember that our project has to have at least 1 song, movements, and 1 character, okay? For example, my example. For example, when space key is pressed, this cat is going to move 10 steps and turn to the right 15 degrees, okay? And we're going to incorporate also a sound, and he's going to do meow, okay? Then when he's moving, okay? And then you can create your project in group. Remember, 1 sound and 1 character, and movements. Come on, what are you waiting for? Come on, create the best project of the class.